Alright, in this video, I'm breaking down the 30 best Amazon Black Friday senior gadget deals, featuring some of the biggest savings live right now. And trust me, some of these drops hit over 40% off, which I'll show you in just a moment. Every discounted link is already in the description, and if you're watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to check them out instantly. So let's start with... Now the RMS button hook comes in at $8 with a solid 43% drop. The wide, cushioned grip makes buttoning shirts and coats easier for anyone with arthritis or limited dexterity. A simple tool that brings back comfort and independence to everyday dressing. Next up, this folding walker lands at $40 after a clear 43% cut. The lightweight frame, 5-inch wheels, and added skis help create smooth movement across floors, while the adjustable height offers better support. A strong pick for seniors wanting stability without the extra bulk. Now, another folding walker also sits at $40 with the same 43% discount. It delivers the same lightweight build, easy maneuvering, and 350-pound support capacity. A dependable backup option for seniors or caregivers wanting a reliable, compact mobility aid that travels well. Moving on, this upper arm blood pressure monitor hits $19 with a 41% markdown. The LED backlit display and adjustable cuff make readings easy to understand, while the dual user memory tracks trends over time. A practical tool for seniors wanting clearer insight into daily heart health. Here's another. The SSYA digital calendar clock drops to $30 with a 33% cut. The large, non-abbreviated display clearly shows the day, date, and time, helping reduce confusion for seniors with memory loss. A helpful pick for maintaining routine and confidence throughout the day. Before we move on, remember, these deals won't stay this low for long. I've put the discounted links below, and TV viewers can scan the QR to grab them while they're still live. Next up, the RAK magnetic wristband goes for $16 after a 33% drop. Strong embedded magnets keep screws and small tools secure, making small repairs easier without juggling items. A handy helper for seniors who want simple organization without bending or reaching. Now the OttStar jar opener hits $7 with a 30% discount. Its multi-grip design makes twisting lids far easier for weak hands or arthritis, and the soft handle boosts comfort. A compact kitchen tool that helps bring back independence during meal prep. Next, the StairAssist cane comes in at $47 with a 27% cut. The adjustable aluminum build and wide support handle help users stand from couches, beds, or recliners with more stability. A smart choice for reducing strain and boosting confidence with every lift. Moving on, the Revix heating mittens dropped to $24 after a 27% markdown. The microwavable design offers deep, soothing warmth for stiff fingers and joints, helping ease discomfort quickly. Ideal for seniors needing simple heat therapy at home. Finally for this batch, the super handy Passport mobility scooter lands at $553 with a 24% drop. Its foldable frame, 3-wheel design, and swappable lithium battery offers smooth travel for short outings. A great pick for seniors wanting a portable, airline-friendly mobility upgrade. Quick heads up, a few of these discounts are already selling out fast, so I've added all the links in the description, and if you're on TV, just scan the QR to jump in. Now the LOHAS motion sensor nightlights come in at $10 with a 23% drop. The warm 3000K glow and adjustable brightness make nighttime movement safer without harsh lighting. A great pick for seniors wanting gentle illumination in hallways, bathrooms, or bedrooms. Next up, another LOHAS nightlight 2-pack also sits at $10 with the same 23% cut. The motion-activated design turns on only when needed, helping save energy while reducing fall risks. A simple upgrade for creating a safer nighttime path around the home. Now, the ProHeal trapeze bar lands at $640 after a 20% markdown. Its 31,000-pound capacity and adjustable frame make repositioning in bed easier for seniors or bedridden patients. A reliable tool that boosts independence and reduces caregiver strain. Moving on, this 250-piece survival and first aid kit hits $39 with a clean 20% drop. The Mole-compatible bag, emergency tent, and full medical set cover a wide range of urgent needs. A practical addition for seniors wanting peace of mind at home or during travel. Here's another. The Zizhou toilet nightlight drops to $8 with a 20% cut. The motion-activated LEDs cycle through fun colors while offering safer nighttime visibility. A lighthearted but genuinely useful gadget to make bathroom trips easier and reduce stumbles. Quick heads up, a few of these discounts are already selling out fast, so I've added all the links in the description, and if you're on TV, just scan the QR to jump in. Now this wound gel twin pack comes in at $18 with an 18% drop. The fast-acting formula helps stop bleeding quickly from small cuts and nicks, making first aid simpler for seniors. A handy tonic that delivers quick relief and confidence during minor mishaps. Now the Savior Heat Glove Liners hit $91 with a 16% markdown. The rechargeable heating system keeps hands warm in winter while staying thin enough for daily tasks. A great pick for seniors managing arthritis or cold sensitivity during outdoor activities. Moving on, Nariva Plus drops to $40 after an 11% discount. The blend of B vitamins and clinically tested Nootropics supports focus, memory, and mental clarity. A helpful daily supplement for seniors wanting a simple boost to cognitive wellness. Next, the Homeland Toilet Safety Rails land at $45 with a 10% cut. The adjustable height and width provides steadier support when sitting or standing, and the foldable frame fits any toilet. A strong choice for seniors aiming to increase bathroom safety without permanent installation. Here's another. Vive Car Handle Assist comes in at $15. It locks into the vehicle's door latch to create a steady handhold, making entry and exit easier. A compact mobility tool perfect for seniors who want more stability while traveling. Before we hit the next picks, check the description for all the deals. A couple of them are limited time drops, and the QR code on screen works great if you're watching on TV. Now, the Riser Lift device arrives at $2,179. Designed for safe home use, it helps lift fallen adults gently back to a seated position without strain. A premium solution for seniors wanting reliable, dignified assistance after unexpected falls. Next up, this heavy-duty mobility scooter sits at $2,196. With an 800-watt motor, 500-pound capacity, and long-range battery, it handles all-terrain travel confidently. A powerful choice for seniors needing dependable outdoor mobility and extended independence. Moving on, this lightweight electric wheelchair comes in at $369. Its foldable frame, 15-mile range, and indoor-outdoor versatility make daily travel smoother. A budget-friendly mobility upgrade for seniors wanting convenience and comfort on the go. Finally, the M-Combo Power Lift Recliner lands at $510. The extended footrest and gentle lift function help users stand